Can you drive with a bad knock sensor? This is something that every driver should know. If you notice that your check engine light is on and after you scan it, you are told that your knock sensor is bad, can you drive your car or immediately you must do something about it? Let me tell you, I'm going to answer this in this video. Before then, you need to understand how knock sensor works. Your knock sensor is like here to your engine. It listens to engine knock or detonation. Normally, the air fuel mixture should burn smoothly right in your engine, but when it explodes too early, that creates knocking sound inside your cylinder, and this knocking sound can cause damage to your engine. It can damage your piston, your valve, your bearing, even your cylinder head. That is why you have knock sensor. When the knock sensor detects this vibration, it's going to alert the engine computer, which is your ECU. Then your ECU is going to adjust the ignition timing in order to protect your engine. Without this accurate information from the knock sensor, your engine will damage. So the question is, can you drive with a knock sensor? Technically, yes, because when your knock sensor is bad, your engine will still start and you can still drive. But the real issue is this: should you drive with it? Depending on your vehicle, two things usually happen. Number one, this is the first situation. When your knock sensor is bad, your engine computer, which is your ECU, will think that your engine is knocking. As a result of that, he wants to protect your engine. Because of that, he's going to retard the ignition timing, and that means that the spark, which is your ignition, will not happen later than normal. And what is the result of that? Your engine is going to become weak. It's going to become sluggish. You are going to experience increased fuel consumption. Your engine is going to lazy, and it will even struggle to climb a hill. What is another second situation? Here, the sensor completely failed to detect re-engine knock. This one is very dangerous because the actual knocking will going to continue and engine computer will not correct it. And that one, it is then you keep hearing the knocking sound as if there is someone using hammer to knock your engine. This one is difficult and dangerous, but if this continue for weeks or for months, it is going to damage your engine. What happens if you ignore? If you ignore, you are going to see that you are going to experience reduced fuel economy. You are going to experience poor engine performance. You are going to experience rough acceleration, and if you go for emission inspection, you also fail. And the most important thing now is that it can also cause serious damage to your engine. So how long should you drive when your knock sensor is bad? Well, there is no exact number. It depends on several factors, such as: one, is the engine actually knocking? One, is the sensor sending incorrect signal? And three, is it completely dead? And four, how aggressive you drive. So if your engine is running smoothly and the only symptom you are having is check engine light, maybe you can still drive for a short time, then you replace the knock sensor. But if you keep hearing the knocking sound, then your engine is going to lose power. You notice poor acceleration, then check engine light start flashing this time. Stop driving as soon as it is safe to do so, because if you keep driving, it's going to cause serious damage to your car. So, can a bad knock sensor cause engine damage? The answer is yes. If you don't repair it, it's going to cause engine damage to your engine. So, and it's not expensive to repair your knock sensor. So this is something you can even do yourself if you know how to do it. And if you don't know how to do it, follow me. I'm going to handle, or I'm going to put you through on how to do so.